Candidate number 15, Efrena Villabu. Your costume is inspired by peacock. A peacock is known for its stunning display or iridescent plumage. It is a majestic bird native to South Asia. The male peacock or peacock is particularly renowned for its vibrant and gay tail feathers, which are covered with striking blue, green, and gold markings. Their costume is made up of strong, satin bag, blue, massive foil, net, and bamboo stick.
Pa-surprise eh. Kasi dito sa gitna ginawa eh.
Once again, our candidate number 15, Efren